Hey guys, just want to give you a preview of the new Josh app that's going to be coming out soon. There's a big update both to the phone as well as to the iPad. First thing you'll notice is now we have a full nice big background image on both. This is in dark mode. I'll show you light mode in a little bit. On the iPad, which is usually wall mounted, you'll see a big recommendation on the top. So it's saying there's a thermostat active. Should we turn it off? If we hit ignore, it's going to let us know we've got 13 lights on. Down here is letting us know what's currently active. So 4 shades are open. If I tap on that, we can go into control. So if I say close the main area shades, those are these guys over here. So those guys are closing. We'll see now it says 2 shades are open. Same thing on the iPhone, so that's updating. If I go and actually close all of them, so now that goes away on both, all synced up. The interface lets you easily swipe between dashboards. And so the idea is the main page are these recommendations, but then you've got your dashboard for quick shortcuts to scenes and devices and such. And same thing on iPad as well as the iPhone. So we've got our various dashboards right there. You've got weather on both of these in the top right corner. And then in the bottom, we now have, there's your home page, navigate to rooms, devices, and scenes. So same thing right on the phone. So if I go, for example, into devices, what we'll see is that we've got our list of devices on the left. I can go over to shades. Here it's showing us all the shades. If I go into the main area and I say maybe shade 4, I can go and set this guy to about halfway, and that's that shade over there that you see opening up. But I can also just as easily tap back and say, let's open all the shades in the house. And so with that, the shade on the right goes all the way up, shade on the left's opening, and then our other shades as well. We've also got some cool things like on both the iPhone and the iPad, if I navigate into video, over here we have a controller for controlling the TV. So it knows that we're already on the Roku, it's saying swipe to move and tap to enter. And so basically if I hit the back button, it takes us back. Right now we're in YouTube, we'll go back again. Let me actually go all the way home. And so swipe over, we can navigate down, whatever app you want to navigate to. Maybe we'll go to, I guess we can go back to YouTube. Let's go to Netflix, because Netflix is here. So I'm doing that without even looking at the phone, because it's just a really easy swipe and tap gesture. So swipe down, swipe over. You know, if we want to go and watch, whatever show this happens to be, view episodes. So it's nice, we can do it right from the phone. Again, we can do it from the tablet as well. So tap on devices. Over here we go to video, and then tap on that to view it larger. And so with that now, let's see if we can make this easy. I'll just show you. If I tap home, it sends us back home. And then if I tap the power button, TV goes off. So really simple, easy control using the graphical user interface. Of course, there's always a voice button as well, which you can see right there. So for example, I could say, play the Red Hot Chili Peppers. You'll notice in this case, it was
playing the Red Hot Chili Peppers.
A really simple tap to talk, so I don't need to use the wake word. Shows us what we said, shows us a response. You could also go in and just type as well. So for example, I could say, maybe, turn on TV, send that, and the TV turns on. It's really simple. Now what we can show you is if we go back over to the home page, I mentioned this is the dark mode. If we go up to the menu, we can switch it from dark mode to light mode. And so in light mode, you basically have a much lighter version. Everything kind of switches over to be nice and white. This is more similar to the old version of the app. And the idea is that you just have this very simple, easy toggle between light mode and dark mode. Just stop this. Play David Sides. And I'm just doing that because the music was getting a little bit loud to talk over. I'll also show you if you go to devices on the iPad and go to music, what you'll see now is the tiles themselves are going to be basically showing we've got David Sides playing, The song's called Make It Rain. We've got full volume control. We can skip to the next track. So that pulls up Circle. We can always go to our Sonos favorites. And so if I wanted to play maybe this Dinner Lounge playlist, so that will switch it over. And this is just a Sonos favorite playlist that we already had. Swipe back. Let's see, I think those are most of the features. Just wanted to show that. And I'll let you know when you get to the end of the recommendations if we just keep ignoring what's going on. This is where it says good morning, in this case Jason, because we're logged in as Jason's account. And it's letting us know here in Santa Monica, there's fog and it's 61 degrees. So that's a preview of the new app with Josh. I look forward to sharing it soon. Thanks, guys.